Hey, what's up, everybody? Oh my gosh! 4 years ago today, I quit my shitty fucking job. Let's go. And here's a clip of me the day before I decided to quit, filming myself saying, oh, I don't know, I think I should stay till October so I can get a $2 an hour raise. Yeah, I just can't stop thinking about quitting my job. I'm setting myself up to quit. And I'm really like trying to figure out, like, is this extra $2K worth it? I'm making $2 an extra an hour on top of it. But I just feel like, I honestly feel like this job's killing me. I love you so much, man. You got this. I know that you'll be watching this when you're on a beach and successful, and you'll be laughing about this. Like, this moment, it all seemed like a strange bad dream. But yeah, hang in there, buddy. You got this. Oh my God, dude! I knew this was freaking possible. When you see something in your mind, you know you can make it a reality. I knew no matter how much depression I had, I knew no matter how dark the place I was gonna be and currently was in, I knew that there would be light at the end of the tunnel. I knew I would accomplish my dreams, and now I'm here. Welcome to my new life, baby. We're just getting fucking started. Hey, what's up? It's 3:30 a.m. and I'm working before I go to my day job for the last time at Costco. Today, right now, I'm walking into Costco on my last day. As earlier stated, today's my last day. I had to wake up at 3 a.m., which I've been doing for the last 4 years so I could work before I started my job at 6 or 7 a.m. Some days I even woke up at 2 just so I could get some extra stuff done because I'm a morning person. I've been through so much. I've been through so much, like almost falling asleep while driving home, driving a $1,000 car with 250,000 miles on it, and nothing worked in it. The doors, like no AC, no heat. It smelled like cat piss. I had an apartment filled with bed bugs and some mold, and they sprayed poison every few weeks, and I was in 40 grand in debt. And now, right now, in this moment in time, I'm only making about $300 a month from my book, but I'm speaking into existence that I will make 6 figures a year from this. I will be in a completely different place in my life. Right now it's, hold up, let me check the date. It's July 28th, 2020, and I'm speaking into existence that I will be absolutely filthy rich, traveling the world, doing whatever the hell I want, never looking at the price tag of anything, and I will retire my grandma. So right now I'm putting that out there. I'm speaking that into existence, and I can't wait to watch it unfold. Man, I can't believe I'm here right now doing. I just want to tell anybody that's watching that no matter what's going on, you got to have that mentality in your head that everything will be all right, that you will make it happen no matter what. Everything will work its way out if you make it work. You have to set that alarm clock for 3 a.m. and do whatever it freaking takes to make it happen. It doesn't matter what it is. If it's important to you, you find your why, you'll make it happen. And so you know what? I'm gonna make this happen. This is just the beginning. Quitting my job right now is just the beginning. This is where the real work starts. This is where the real obstacle and challenge starts. And I'm more than ready for it because I built myself up to this point. So I just can't believe it. Oh yeah, I'd like to add one last thing. My net worth right now is only negative 5,000. So we've come a long way, but I'm speaking into existence that I will be a millionaire.
Christian, what the fuck were you just up to?
I was just on a coaching call with some people, and I charged them $1,000 an hour. So if you are lost, scared, or need help, reach out to me. I've walked through every single step of the process. I've eaten shit for years. The goal is you don't have to go through the same shitty process I went through. You don't have to risk almost dying in a cartel-infested ghetto. You can have this life. You can have it soon. Like, let's fucking go. Let's get rich.